Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials: device, account access, and a backup of any custom words. First, verify your operating system and keyboard app versions so you apply the correct steps. Once done, open Settings and navigate to keyboard or text input to find autocorrect controls. You'll toggle or reinstall components from here. Make sure to export or copy your personal dictionary before making changes so you don't lose custom entries during resets or reinstalls. Now you'll perform the central fixes: disable autocorrect, fully restart your device, then turn it back on and re-enable autocorrect. This often clears transient errors. If that fails, clear keyboard cache or choose Reset Keyboard Settings to remove corrupted temporary files. For third-party keyboards, update or reinstall from the official store. Updates often fix engine and dictionary mismatches. While reinstalling, grant required permissions for access to dictionaries and predictive text so the feature can function correctly. Finish by restoring your custom dictionary and testing autocorrect in multiple apps to confirm consistent behavior. If problems persist, verify language packs are installed and prioritized correctly, and confirm keyboard permissions for full access are granted. If errors continue, create a device log or safe mode boot to isolate conflicts with other apps. As a last resort, consider a factory reset after a full backup. This removes stubborn system-level corruption, but requires careful preparation to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.